Want to install FFmpeg on Windows? Here's a quick guide to get you set up in no time. Click here to download the zip file of the latest version. As of September 2021, version 4.4 is the latest. Unzip this file by using any file archiver such as WinRAR or 7z. Rename the extracted folder to FFmpeg and move it into the root of C drive. Now, run cmd as an administrator and set the environment path variable for FFmpeg by running the following command. Set x per m path. CYFFmpegOmbin %path%. Restart your computer and verify the installation by running FFmpeg version. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.